Yep, today I am just doing 40 minutes of solves, and I have 4 cubes I'm using. So the Volk 4, the Gen 11M Pro, which is in this, my Square 1, and my Gen 251M. So I think we're just going to start with 3x3, and we'll see how we go. Excuse me? That's literally PB. No joke. Whew. I beat it by 1.5 seconds. What? It's legendary. Okay. I don't even know how I pulled that off. I'm still in utter shock. What? The solve was going so well. It was a very easy cross, but like PB. Excuse me. I didn't know a PB was that easy, but whatever. Almost plus 2'd it. I was just thinking to myself now, imagine 2 PBs in a row until I stuffed up the my F2L. I didn't like make a mistake, but like I had a couple lockups. Oh, how am I supposed to do this? I don't want that PB to be fake because I honestly got it. Like, it was not fake. Because my solves are making it look fake. Come on. Okay. That's pretty good. Like, a 15 is always pretty delightful. I might have to do a reconstruction of my PB solve now. Because there's no way I can just let that go. My solves are just doing really well today. Well, I'm doing really well. Like, apart from my 2 non-sub 20s, I guess we're just gonna call them. They've been pretty good. Oh my gosh, okay. What is with these solves? I wish Game could see these solves right now. And they're definitely higher me. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're just over halfway, which is nice. So, more souls for me. I'm still surprised on that PV soul because it felt good, but not that good. Like, come on. I almost stuffed it up because I locked up with a U. Don't ask how I locked up a U, but it happened. Oh no. I plus two'd it. No way. I stuffed up so bad. That was so funny. Oh no. What? Oh. I thought I loved EPIRBs. I was gonna give it an S tier in my ranking video, but maybe not. Not right. I don't really have a good solution for this, which is a bit awkward. Oh. What? It lagged. It showed an 18 and it just glitched to a 20. Like what? Like obviously it probably just froze. I'm not saying that my time got ruined because of it. It's perfectly normal. It's just funny. I guess that's just the one problem with CS Timer. Because it doesn't happen often, but it sometimes glitches. Like people get excited about a new PB, for example, and then it just glitches like that. Like, I understand why people would be upset. It's not a massive deal. Because he doesn't like make your time faster. No, I meant slower. It doesn't delay your soul. It just seems a little bit delayed. I stuffed up on my PLL But that's fine because it's time to move on to 2x2. Yep. Okay. 2x2 is becoming one of my favorite events. I used to not like it that much, but it's actually not that bad anymore. And I just did a tutorial on Ortega method. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's just cold for some reason, but okay. Okay. Why is my cube so cold? That's actually annoying me. Because it gives like a weird feeling to my hands when I'm solving. I'm not sure if everyone in the galaxy's hands are cold, but mine certainly are. And just when I touch this cube, which is so frustrating. So. Oh my gosh. This is like intense. Oh no. I'll be back, guys. 1 second. I'm just gonna mute myself. Sorry, my mum was just calling me, so I need to go to it. But I don't want to waste any precious time. That's why I try to make the conversation as quick as possible. I think I just found a new PB. No! No! Alright, I just want to show you that scramble again. Okay, F2 U R prime F R U2 F prime U R U2. So pretty much, I'm just going to show you a quick reconstruction. I could see that just with one move, it solved both layers. And I was just examining, I could see it end up in this Y perm. So it went quick. I twisted a corner, but okay. That solve was insane. I'm not allowed to count that because I was just doing a solve and I already knew the solution. But that was, oh my goodness. I'm getting so lucky today. That was almost the PB. I need to use that new technique I learned for one of the Ortega cases. I'm really enjoying 2x2 now. What? Okay. My average is dying. It needs life support. Nice. Okay. Six. Oh, okay. That was a low 6. I was expecting it to be like a high 6, like maybe 6.80. But maybe I was in a bit of luck. I can't really see a good solution here, which is so frustrating. And I think this is a bit better. These 6s are pretty insane because I usually get 7s. And then recently I've been getting a lot of 6s. I don't like this at all. You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. I'm gonna estimate a 7. Maybe a high 6. What? This is intense and insane. I still have 5 minutes left of this. I can't comprehend what's actually just happening right now. Okay, don't actually have an amazing solution for any cross. Trying to think of an optimal solution. And I know it's been way over my inspection time, but I'm just... Okay, I have 1 bet. Five? Oh my god. So pretty much a low 5 is good for me. And anything lower than that's pretty insane. Just so you know what my good is. So I'd be really happy with a low 5 or a 4 or just anything lower, I guess. Okay. 6s are okay. Okay, I want to try something new I learned today. Or up. Come on. There are just those solves where they can go. There's just those solves where you make a mistake and everything goes wrong from there. Just those solves. And I just had one of those solves. Okay. Okay. Oh. What? No, I would have done so much better. I would have got a 5. I stuffed up the algorithm apparently. Yes, apparently. I didn't see myself stuffing on the algorithm. I looked at it carefully. And nothing was wrong. No. There's no good ones. Oh, I practiced this as well. Oh. Yeah, that was a pretty rubbish solve. Alright, I'm gonna do one more and then check how much time I have left. Seven's terrible. Oh, I can do 4 more solves. I have had a lot more time than I expected for this. Or it feels like it's gone so short. I'm getting really lucky scrambles today. There's no way that was an 8. I think one more solve, then I'm gonna have to wrap up, which is sad because I love 2x2. I did want to end with like a 6 or lower. No, I did want to end with a 5, I meant. Oh, okay, definitely. And that's perfect timing to move on to 4x4, which is session 3. Yep, okay. I have recently beat my 4x4 PB. It used to be a minute, it used to be a minute 33, and now recently, so yesterday, I got a minute 27, which I was happy about. I forgot, I couldn't like focus on what I was saying because I was also scrambling at the same time. Even though I wasn't, like, scrambling doesn't have to do with talking, but okay. Nope. Okay, I'm not too happy with this solution, but... I was just having so much fun with doing fast solves, and now I have to live with the burden of doing slow solves again. Like square one won't be bad because square one's a fun event, even though it's slow. Okay. So I'm pretty happy right now. I just realized I'm gonna get over 2 minutes, aren't I? That will be so depressing. Over 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna get over 2 minutes, guys. Okay, let's just do a random scramble for 4x4. Square one, I'll do proper scrambles, but for this, I'm all good. By the way, I just want to shout out to Max Park. Not like he did anything special contributing to my channel because, well, he's a legendary solver. I don't know why he'd sub to infinite cubing, even though he should. But, just quickly, he beat the 4x4 world record at his house. So it was an unofficial world record, which is sad, but he got 16 seconds, the previous world record being 17. And I absolutely cried. Psych, I didn't cry, but I was so happy because he seemed very excited. And I know cubing's a big thing for him and me, except no one appreciates my cubing. Except for all my fans out there. Thank you. But I'm really proud of him because world records are hard achievements, even for someone amazing like me. Okay, a minute 45. I keep thinking I'm doing so bad, but in reality I'm not. like, don't put yourself down. It's not how life works. I don't use inspection wisely either. I just want to point that out. I just exposed myself. But no, I use inspection wisely, except I don't use it, so I don't like take a lot of time to inspect. No reason. It's not like I don't like inspection, except I just don't. I'm not really bothered to be like non-stop just looking around the cube trying to figure out what I'm going to do. And I know it's bad because that's where look ahead comes in, and look ahead is mighty crucial. So last edge man, but I don't know. Did I stop? No, I thought I stopped the timer. This is perfect. This solve. No. Oh no. Oh, come on. I finished, if you're wondering why I'm so upset, I finished my, centers and edges at around 56 seconds, which is pretty insane for me. So I got really happy, and then I dropped the cube on the space bars. I didn't push down, so it didn't start. No, it didn't stop, I meant. And I just felt really upset because from there I stopped off, but. Okay, lockups. What am I doing? I'm just doing the same moves over and over again, expecting it to do something. I'm trying. What is... Okay. Let's just hope nothing's wrong. I'm pretty happy. Now, I don't usually look at the timer during the solve, but I am pretty confident with this solve being nice and smooth. Okay, how much time? I could have time for one more, but it'll bite into my square one time a bit. Yeah, it'll bite into my square one time, but who cares? I'm not saying like who cares about square one. Square one has become one of my favorite events. I don't know what made me start practicing it suddenly. Switch these around. But recently I've just started practicing square one again, which I guess is good. And I used to not practice it an awful lot, and I used to just solve it every once in a while. But recently I'm wanting to get faster at square one. It's always been a challenging event for people. If you don't know what a square one is yet and you're just watching this video assuming that I'm going to mention it soon, a square one is the only shape-shifting puzzle in the WCA, World Cube Association. And pretty much, I'll show it in a sec because I'm going over time. But it's the only shapeshifter in the WCA. PBs all over the house. Okay, I don't know where my house from. I think, where's Square One? Huh? Oh, found it. Alright, let's not count this 17, by the way. Because that 17 was not even a proper scramble, but okay. Sorry guys if I take a long time to scramble these using WCA, because I'm not really like too good at I've already stuffed up the scrambling, so we won't just scramble it any further. But I'm not really that type of person that like knows all the notation and stuff well. I think I got something pretty good here. So pretty much what I just did that is I scrambled it, then started again. I'm joking. What is this? This is some Illuminati. Oh, I fixed the Illuminati. I'm planning on making a Square One tutorial soon. And I can already see some beautiful parity. It's called Look Ahead, my friends. I'm joking. Got some double parity action right here. It's called when you get parity on the top and bottom. Anyway, my current Square One PB is 33 seconds. 102 is good enough. Okay. No, what am I doing? I should be talking, but I'm trying to concentrate, so sorry if everything's gone a bit quiet. I'm just trying to concentrate on scrambling this. No, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Okay, I'm not too happy with this solution. It's not like terrible, but it's not amazing either. Okay, immediately, you should all be able to tell when I'm not done the first step yet that this solve isn't going to be amazing. Unless I skip like every step. Or I go Max Park mode, even though I don't think he does Square One. But we need to play really well here in order to get a good solve. And I can already see there's no parity on top. Please be no parity on bottom. Oh, T-Perm, T-Perm, T-Perm. I know T-Perm. Got a U2 AUF at the end. And do whatever this thing is. That actually wasn't that bad. And it's not 5 minutes left. That's insane. Okay. I might go into 50 minutes. No, I want to go up to an hour, even though I said 50 minutes. Oh wait, I don't think I have enough battery. Oh no, I do. Okay guys, I'm going to go up into an hour. I know I said 40 minutes, but I'm going to dedicate the next 5 minutes to, the next 10 minutes to 2x2 and then 3x3. And then I'll finish up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and 2, 3, and then -1, and then -2. And then, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, -4. And then -4. So 1, 2. And then slash. Okay. Okay. I'm full of swibbolibber what am I saying? Skip the step? Maybe not. Thought I was gonna like have a skip on something. I've got a very easy case though. Z-perm. This actually might be a pretty good solve. Although I stuffed up. But I also do have parity, so... Oh. This is just an algorithm I want to learn. The type of parity algorithm. No, it's a parity algorithm, but it's not like the normal one that people get. I'm just going to see if there's like a variation. Oh, my hand. I have 2 minutes left, but I really don't want to do another one because my hand hurts. How am I going to go to an hour then? My hand's actually hurting. I wouldn't be going to an hour. That's, oh my gosh. Doesn't matter, I have to go to an hour anyway. Oh, -2 soon. Okay. -1 is like this. -1. Oh, that stuffed up. That's just like, we all love when I stuff up. Okay. This is so funny. No! What is happening? Is it copyright to perform algorithms now? Copyright, where'd I get copyright from? I don't know where I got the word copyright from. Okay, so I completely forgot an algorithm. That's why the first step took so long, and you couldn't even see me struggling with the first step. But in case you like can see the cube so well. No, actually, parody. Okay, doing that wasn't actually bad when I said no, and then I said parody. This is parody as well, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, get ready to stop my beautiful timer. That was been my worst solve so far. Oh no, I've got worse. Yay! I get two by tube. Okay, we're back to this strange event. Guys, do you like my beautiful time that I got for 2x2? 1:30 actually. It shows the same times. I hate left-handed algorithms. A lot of you are probably wondering why I randomly said that. Because I got a left-handed case, even though I probably could have figured out a way to do it right-handed. Oh no. Into R2. I stuffed up. Then there's no bars. Okay. Alright, my cube feels cold again, which is so weird. Hey, can please explain to me why my cube is just randomly feeling cold? I dropped the cube. What is... I'm afraid to look at my average. Okay, I'm gonna do this solve and try to bear whatever my average says. Okay, I still got an average of 6, but one more solve above 6, then I'm done. My average is gone. I'm literally at 6.97. The rotations. I'm good. I thought I was easily going there. Up. That's always a good solve. I just noticed that I had a very easy case and just pointed out how that's always a good solve. And I pointed that out by saying that's always a good solve. 6.69. Ooh. YouTube up. My average is slowly going down bit by bit. So I need to make sure all these solves are good. Okay, this is not a good example of a solve going well. My average is still hanging in there. My goal by the end of these minutes is to have my average still reasonable. And when reasonable means a sub 7 average. 5 minutes left of trying to get a sub 7 average. Oh, that's not good. I'm actually gonna flex on all my friends on my new PB. What a... My average is slowly dying. I'm gonna flex on all my friends on how I got a new PB of 12. Because my fastest friend, his PB is 16 seconds. And the day I came to school and told him that I got a 16. The day I came to school and said that I got a 13, he was so troll at me. No, he was so rage. He was like, yeah! He's like, I don't even believe you. And personally, if someone just rocked up to school with a 14-second PB and then just said, I got a 13. And the hardest thing that I didn't think they'd believe me about is the fact that the day before that, they were all making jokes about how... they were all making jokes about how they got 13 seconds. Just because they knew that my PB at the time was 14, they'd keep making jokes about that. So when I came to school and just said to them, my PB is 13, they were like, yeah. A couple of them believed me straight away. Others took a while to believe me, but it was a strange experience. Okay, that was literally, the bottom layer was solved, which was legendary. So, like the scramble had the bottom layer solved. So, I don't know what's happening with my times, but they're going very quick. Okay, I'm getting good solves. I'm not even lying. Okay. Okay. R2, R2, F, R2. Okay. This is not looking amazing. What? No. My thing glitched, but my average is still saved, which I'm proud of. Are there no bars? Oh, this is great. I'll show you in a second what I mean by no bars. Okay, 444, it's legendary. Pretty much a lot of scrambles, so I'll do this scramble and hopefully it has a bar, because if it doesn't, that's very unlucky. A lot of scrambles would have a bar, so you see how there's like the red and red, blue and blue, white, and they usually have a lot of bars, if not 1, 0. But that scramble had no bars, and though they're usually bad scrambles, because you usually want a bar to start off with because you have a bigger chance of getting the first step done quick. So, you're always good to have a bar somewhere. You can't really decide if you have one or not. It's not like an optional thing. But if EA made Rubik's Cubes, if EA made Rubik's Cubes like EA Sports, it'd be like pay to have a bar on Ortega. I don't know how EA works, but there's these memes all over the internet on like if Among Us was made by EA and things like that. I've got a complete line blank up. Okay, I think I'm actually done. I'm just gonna finish this solve. Oh, I just finished a minute ago, but I forgot to stop. Okay, now we just have a lot of time to pull off some, to play with some fun events. I'm joking. I'm not saying 2x2 is not fun. Don't hate me. I was making a joke. A lot more common events. That sounds better. That sounds a lot more better than calling 2x2 a bad event. Oh no. I've stuffed up the scramble, but let's just imagine that I got it right. And if this is a PB solve, you don't understand how sad I want to be, because I can't count as a PB because well, I didn't even get the scramble right. But luckily it's not a PB solve. I'm not putting myself down. I'm not discouraging myself. I can just tell, and you guys should be able to tell as well. How does that even happen? One of my most hated words. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how normal that is to happen. What's my average of 120? Oh. 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 What is happening? I'm slowly getting closer to my PB. No, to my goal, which is to get sub 20. There's no certain time. I just want to get sub 20. I think everyone wants to get sub 20. So, no, not sub 20, sub 10. What am I saying? I'm getting closer to my goal of being sub 10, or at least my PB being sub 10. So, just keep that support going on, because it's really helping me. Every morning I wake up happier now because, well, I have people that actually watch me. Unlike some of my... You know what? Don't worry. Oh. Okay, if my PB is not... No, if my average is not sub 20 after this session, I'm going to cry. Ooh, I have 6 minutes left of intelligence. I'm just 1 in 216. Okay, that was pretty lucky. That solve wasn't going too well. I think the OLL skip might possibly saved it. Oh, this is pure skill right here. I don't know what to say, but I usually don't do 1 hour streams because I feel like it's a bit too long. Plus, I don't usually have the time. I have to add in usually because I've done 2 streams with... Oh, this is my second stream 1 hour long, so can't say I don't have the time if I've done one before. I'm doing one right now. But I don't often have the time to do it. So, yeah. Also, guys, in the comments, please recommend me what to buy from Daily Puzzles. Or just something, or just any cube, because I got, my awesome friend got me, he got me a Daily Puzzles gift card. And I don't know what to use it for. Was it $35 altogether to spend on Daily Puzzles? I don't actually know what to get. But I do need good ideas, so please tell me in the comments. So I'm just gonna recap this journey so far. I've got 2 PBs, 4x4 PB of, so I've got a 4x4 PB of 1 minute 25. I almost got a 2x2 PB, I forgot what the time was. And I got a 3x3 PB of 12 seconds, which is insanely fast if I think about it. Oh my gosh, I still have time, yes! This is so awkward. There's no way. I stuffed up my cross. I paused for like 8 years. So I'm 8 years older now. I am a professional speed cuber. I'm sponsored by GAN and Daily Puzzles. No, I'm joking. But like, of course I'm joking. I don't need to say I'm joking all the damn time. But unless you guys think I'm being serious, and that's honestly a bit scary if you thought I was being serious. Yeah, but PLL skip up. But I did pause for a while before, so 21's pretty good. I literally have to close my eyes because pretty much I was focusing on scrambling my cube, but I was also focused on what I was saying. So I quickly finished the scramble, and then closed my eyes for a second, so I wasn't looking at the scramble and focusing on the scramble anymore, and then I could properly say what was on the top of my mind. Now I think this is going to go just over an hour, but let's just get a sub 20 to end this video. No sub 20 equals this video is not ending until I get a sub 20. Oh, that's awkward. Okay, one more solve. It's over. I'm going into overtime. And I've done pretty well. My average is still under 20. Or no, on 20 exactly. But check. Do you know when you go onto a YouTube channel, there's an about page? Every YouTuber has an about page, and it shows like how many subscribers how many views they have and stuff. Yeah, well, on my about page, I have all my PBs for every event. So, I have my PBs for every event there, or every event that I remember. I've never competed in competition before, so these are not comp PBs. These are just regular PBs that I've got on Cubes, and I'm going to have to update that. So, if it's not matched my PBs from today, then you probably just looked at it like way too early. That was so weird. I thought I just heard something say hi to me. I was so creeped out. But it was like a whispering voice. I was like, hi. And I was like, ah! Yeah, but I did say I was going to end this with one more solve. And I didn't get a sub 20 that solve, so... We love these normal scrambles. When half the cross is already done. No! I swear I would have got such a good time if I didn't stuff up that. PLL. That's so awkward. Nice cross. Hey guys, thank you for watching. No one has visited my video yet, which is upsetting, or no one's watched it live yet. But since it's the holidays, Christmas holidays, I'm able to upload a lot now. So I'm really happy about that. And I've done a lot of live streams today even. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. After this solve's done, just give me... Oh, yes. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'm not accepting that. Go die in a hole. But, thank you guys for watching this video. And, yeah, so... I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. And let's try and get to 20 likes soon. No, not 20 likes. 20 subs soon. Because I really want to get to that mark. And it seems like such a low amount. And it is. Which is depressing to hear myself say. Yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. And just keep keeping, I guess. See you in another video.